Marina sa Casina. And today, guys, we'll be making some Filipino style curry, MANOK curry, basically. So we're gonna season this chicken with all this stuff here, and I call this the teaspoon recipe because we all use a teaspoon of each seasoning. Yeah, so let's get to it. So as you see, we're using the chicken drumsticks bit, so I guess you have to open that, and you have to be very careful with chicken. What you need to get is also any type of pot here, and then you'll need to pour the chicken inside there. Easy as pie. So guys, I've taken off my gloves, and now I'm going to use a teaspoon magic wand here, and we're going to put all the seasonings. So the first seasoning I'm going to put on is, I think everyone should have this, is ground black pepper. We're going to put 1 teaspoon of this. So 1 teaspoon. It's almost finished anyway. Spread it evenly across the chicken. Next, we put some cinnamon there. Ow! Yep. So let's put some cinnamon there. Next, we're going to put some ground ginger in there. There we go. And add some coriander. One bay leaf. Oh, it's 1. Oh, don't put a lot, just put maybe 3 or something. See, this would do. And here comes the curry, the one that makes it get its name from. Now, another one that makes it have nice curry is the hot Madras curry powder. That one is gram masala, so it's gonna make it. You know what? I'm just gonna pour this to get nice and spicy. Filipino style. There we go. So guys, this is how you make your curry manok, Filipino style curry manok. So let's get the curry powder in there.
Now I'm going to mix it.
Oh no.
That's off actually. I'll put.
So now we're gonna mix it. So just make sure the gloves are put on. You need to make that sauce evenly spread out with all the chickens, so that they're not by themselves. In the end, you should have coated chickens everywhere. The one right from the bottom all the way to the top. Oh, okay. So guys, once you have it like this, now you're going to put it in the refrigerator and leave it there for overnight, so all that tasty juices get into this meat. Oh, so satisfying. I took my gloves off, and now we're gonna put the cover on like so. And that will curry manok. So anyway, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe down below, put a thumbs up, and bye. Now I'm going to take this to the refrigerator.